Now gather round, you lads on the bridge, for I'll tell you a tale we nae need to fudge. When the captain said, Scotty, go back to 1927, and that's a fact, to fetch us two rogues from the hedge. So I beamed on myself through the years, wi' my kilt and my tools and my gears. Landed on a street wi' cobblestones neat, and a tale that'll still ring in your ears. Hey! There once was a store on the street, ma bells general tidy and neat. Two lads standing tall said, nice Federation security, that's all. We're hauling wee Alf off his feet. There once was a sign by the door, all cats accounted for and more. No calls shall be made past our solar parade, which explains what the lads came for. There once was an E.T. looking lost, crying phone home at any cost. They marched them along to the paddy wagon song, while the rain on the cobblestones crossed. There once was an old wise geezer keen on his meat, one E-trike, quite the scene, throwing the Vulcan salute with his plate saying 1927, nay dispute, waving cheerful, you know what I mean. Hey! Old wise geezer on his E-trike so fine, orange helmet flashing with a big daft smile, Star Trek Tribble riding right beside, true Trekkie riding with pride. Hey! Old wise geezer laughing at the scene, waving at the wee ones in between. From Ohio plates to the stars above, this mad Scot-Irish night is full of love. Hey! There once was a Tribble so wee, sitting proud as can be on the seat, while the geezer rode by wi' a twinkle in his eye, enjoying the pure daft chaos you see. There once was a plate on his trike, said live long and prosper ye tyke, and be good while you roam, as the coppers walk E.T. home, a blessing and a warning alike. There once was a trial so grand, we Alf in the dock, you'll understand, charged we disappearing cats. He said nay more o' that, and that's that. Found guilty as charged, red-handed. There once was E.T. in the box, judge for skipping out on his phone bill, no jokes. Hey, TNT wants their due for your calls to the moon, it's true, guilty as sin, the poor wee bloke. Hey, old wise geezer on his E-trike so fine, orange helmet flashing with a big daft smile, Star Trek Tribble riding right beside, true Trekkie riding with pride. Hey, old wise geezer laughing at the scene, waving at the wee ones in between. From Ohio plates to the stars above, this mad Scot-Irish night is full of love. There once was a bust in 1927, though the trike said the same. Was that a sign frae heaven? Federation lads polite said sorry for the night, but prime direct is broken again. There once was a scene so absurd, Federation agents looking quite perturbed, arresting wee gremlins from space in this temporal place, while the wise geezer just grinned at the stern. Now the captain, he laughed till he cried, said, Scotty, you cannae be denied, bringing back rogues from the past, we a tale that's sure to last, on this ship where the stars are our guide. So I raised up a glass to the crew, here's to Alf and E.T. too. May their sentence be light and Ohio's plate shine bright, for a story so daft and so true. Hey, old wise geezer on his E-trike so fine, orange helmet flashing with a big daft smile, Star Trek Tribble riding right beside, true Trekkie riding with pride. Hey, old wise geezer never tunes in this crazy tune. So that's how I nabbed the wee pair, with a trike and a helmet and flare. Now they're scrubbing the brig, doon on deck rig, and the whole crew's still laughing, I swear. Right!